Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical artificial grass, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from artificial grass, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best artificial grass from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. SunVilla. Realistic indoor or outdoor artificial grass. Looking for a high-quality, low-maintenance lawn solution? The SunVilla Realistic Indoor or Outdoor Artificial Grass is the perfect choice. Crafted with advanced UV-resistant yarn, durable latex backing, and polyethylene fabric, this premium grass offers a natural look and feel designed to withstand high-traffic areas. Whether it's for your garden, patio, or indoor spaces, SunVilla Turf provides a realistic, lush green lawn all year round without the hassle of mowing, watering, or fertilizing. The soft blades come in 4 vibrant tones that mimic natural grass. Safe for kids and pets, it's non-toxic and lead-free. With 91 square feet of coverage, it's ideal for various projects. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 10-year warranty and a 30-day return policy. SunVilla Artificial Grass is the easiest and most eco-friendly way to achieve a beautiful, maintenance-free lawn. Number 2. Petgrow Realistic Indoor or Outdoor Garden Artificial Grass. Transform your space with Petgrow Realistic Indoor/Outdoor Artificial Grass. This high-quality synthetic turf features a thick, dense 1.38-inch grass height with a 70 Oz per square yard weight, giving it a lush, natural look and feel. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications, it mimics real grass with 4-tone colors and a soft thatch. Designed for durability, the grass is UV-resistant, fireproof, waterproof, and weather-resistant, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. With a vertical drainage rubber mat backing, it quickly drains water, urine, or other liquids, ensuring no odor residue. Low maintenance and easy to clean, simply rinse with soapy water and let it dry for a fresh look year-round. Whether you're enhancing your garden, patio, or creating a pet-friendly area, Petgrow Artificial Grass offers a hassle-free solution that stays green and beautiful throughout the year. Enjoy easy installation and a beautiful, durable lawn that requires no mowing or maintenance. Number 3. Goasis Lawn Premium Synthetic High-Density Artificial Grass. Goasis Lawn Premium Synthetic High-Density Artificial Grass is the perfect solution for creating a lush, realistic green space year-round. Made with eco-friendly materials, this high-quality turf features a 1.38-inch grass height and a 4-tone color that mimics natural grass, providing a soft and vibrant surface for any indoor or outdoor project. Whether you're setting up a pet area, decorating your garden, or enhancing a commercial space, this artificial grass is durable, weatherproof, and UV protected, ensuring it stays vibrant in all conditions. Its flame-resistant and slip-resistant backing makes it safe and secure for pets and children, ideal for yards, parks, rooftops, balconies, and even film sets. Goasis Lawn offers versatile usage options. Easy to install, this turf can be cut to fit your specific needs. Simply place it in the sun and stroke it to remove any flattening and enjoy a beautiful, low-maintenance lawn all year long. Number 4. Artificial Turf Grass Outdoor Fake Grass Rug with Drainage Holes. OYEFO's Artificial Turf Grass Outdoor Fake Grass Rug is the perfect solution for a low-maintenance, lush, and realistic lawn. Made from eco-friendly PPEN (PP) materials, this durable turf is fireproof, UV-resistant, and designed to last through all weather conditions. Its 4-layer backing and smooth grass blades ensure a vibrant, intact surface year-round. Equipped with built-in drainage holes, this turf quickly sheds water, preventing puddles after rain and allowing for easy cleanup. Just rinse with soap and water, then let it air dry. Ideal for families, pets, and outdoor spaces, it mimics the feel and appearance of real grass without the hassle of mowing or watering. This versatile rug comes with an installation kit, including buffer washers, hooks, and landscape staples, ensuring a simple setup. Whether you need turf for a garden, patio, or pet potty area, OYEFO offers a clean, comfortable, and sustainable solution for your space. Number 5. Foss Home Artificial Grass. Height. realistic synthetic grass. Boz Home Artificial Grass is the perfect solution for both indoor and outdoor spaces, offering a realistic and low-maintenance lawn all year round. Made with premium synthetic materials like polyethylene and polypropylene yarn, this grass features superior resilience, durability, and a high-density design 70 Oz per square yard to ensure a long-lasting and natural look. The four-tone color pattern mimics real grass, providing a soft, lush appearance that remains vibrant in any season. It's easy to install. Simply mark, dig, and roll out the turf and secure it for a flawless, manicured look. With a blade height of 1.38 inch, this turf requires little maintenance, saving you time and money on lawn care. Plus, it's fade-resistant and quick-drying, making it ideal for all weather conditions. Custom sizes are available to fit your project perfectly, and with a 30-day return policy, your satisfaction is guaranteed. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.